Today we took a really nice ride up to Luciano's shop to see the progress on his FZR restoration. He's actually far enough along on it that he took a little test ride up and down the block and found some other things that still needed to be done. He's redoing the body work as we were up there. Some was in prime, some was painted. He fixed a fuel leak that we had on the tank. And I thought, well, this is really going to be an interesting day because my FZR, I haven't ridden it in a while yet. There's some maintenance I wanted to do on it, and it's going to motivate me to get mine ready to go. And now this video was shot and loaded to YouTube in 4K. You may be able to access that on your device by addressing this settings wheel down in the lower right hand corner and watch it in the high def. Drain plug, it's different than mine?
Well, take a look at it.
Yeah, I gotta crawl on the ground like a reptile. You got a rug I can lay on?
Yeah.
Oh God, I got my good leathers on.
Into the missionary position.
Yeah. You're auditioning for a job in porno, huh? I don't think you're gonna get it. Yeah. Now, but the EXUP valve, and you're still hooked up. See, I don't have mine hooked up. But this is still in the way though.
It's a 1987 motor on a 1991 frame.
Oh, okay. So you got a.
So actually,
good luck with that. For anybody that can't see this, look at this is where the drain plug is.
1987 motor didn't have the power valve.
Yes. So without the power valve, that's just beautiful to get that out.
Yeah, they put the leather model exhaust on a.
Man, that's inconvenient. I gotta write to Yamaha. Maybe they'll fire the guy that designed that.
The only way to drain the oil is to lose the exhaust, let it fall down a little bit, and then you remove it.
Yeah, see, mine is different though. Mine, I don't have the EXUP valve, so.
Yeah, but do you have the same oil sensor?
Yes, I got the same sensor and everything there. Is that the stock exhaust that came with the bike?
Yes.
Okay. And mine's not stock. Mine is, I don't know, Yoshimura, whoever it is.
Yeah, no,
So we got a document. It's an 87 motor in it's a 91 frame? That's the same frame as I have.
91, yeah.
91, okay. So that means that'll fit in my bike. When you get sick of this bike, you just give me I could have a spare motor for free.
Yeah.
You got this little piece? This is the piece you had trouble getting?
Compared to that one.
And this is the one he sent you from Germany.
That's a 1988.
Oh, jeez. Man, you got problems with this.
It came from England. This is what came from my AirTech.
Yeah. I got an extra one of those Vance and Hine, exactly that muffler. I think you gave it to me. Yeah. And it's polished. Yours isn't polished. You should polish it.
I'll polish it a little bit.
Put a little rubbing compound on there. Then you could polish the frame like my frame too. Got 2 years to spare. And you could polish the triple trees. Oh, this is very nice though.
I still can't figure out what the little switch does. The bucket answer, I try to move it up and down, it doesn't do anything.
See, I don't have this bar going across here.
You don't have this?
No. When you rode my bike, I don't have that bar. What happened? The guy cut it here. And that's why the windshield used to crack. At track days, we would lose, every time we got back from track day.
Why don't you buy this? It don't fit against.
It could fit, yeah. No, I don't need it. I got the plugs ordered. I want to get new plugs in mine so that when we go drag racing, mine will be faster. But it doesn't really matter anyway. They're both fast.
I had to strip this to the bone. You know how many coats I painted out?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I saw it that when you got it, before you did any work on it. But you look like you did a lot of work on it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I use it, what's the name? Duplicor.
Yeah.
Duplicor clear coat.
Any good or?
I don't know.
Well, you'll find out. We'll find out. We'll find out. You married her? You'll find out. Friend Corey up in Nova Scotia. Where the heck is he? Prince Edward Island. Where are you, Corey? I forgot. He's got the Thunder Race. That's earlier than this? The Thunder Race is before this?
Thundercat.
Thundercat? I don't know. Thunder. I hit rain on the way up here. I was really annoyed.
Waiting for the signals in the front.
Yeah, it's looking good. Last time I was up here, you didn't have you had it all stripped down though.
Yeah.
You got it running okay now?
Yeah.
Okay. How many miles do you know? Oh, you don't know. How much? 41. I got 36. So why would I want your motor? You got more mileage than I got. Maybe you want my motor. Yeah, that looks good. Good, baby. I'm impressed. Put it right in the museum.
I got so soft, unbelievable. It just went 2 seconds.
Beautiful. Yeah, because they're soft. Mine are like a rock. When you take the carbs off, oh my God.
Sounds good.
That sounds wonderful. I like the sound of that muffler better than mine. I do have that exact muffler. I think you gave it to me, I'm pretty sure. It's all polished up, too. Yeah, it looks good. Really looks good. Making progress. What are you thinking? A couple more weeks, you ready to ride?
Yeah. Wow, but it's a no breaking up.
Yeah. Sounds good, looks good. New tires, brand new. You got my fork leg on there on one side or both sides?
Then LUCIANO came off from this.
Oh, the letter, yeah. That came out nice.
Did you see the picture yesterday of the paint?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Well, figured out what that switch does. Mine, I never even hooked it up. I can't even find what it does. It's supposed to be the fuel reserve.
This doesn't do anything.
No. Maybe that's to replace the light. Let's see. Oh, what's that all about?
I don't know, it just comes up.
Wow. Even when you rev it up?
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe the sensor's bad.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a bad sensor.
I got put one.
Got the fairings done yet?
One is done.
One's done?
Why? Because I'll show you downstairs in the basement. And the other one, I just put the primer on the lower side.
Yeah. The motor sounds good though.
The motor's good. I'll take it right now.
You took this for some more mileage since the last time we rode? This still looks good.
Oh, this one, that's perfect.
Yeah.
I fixed the bagging program.
This one rode nice. I like the. It's like like a GS. That's a
so
beauty.
I like the power delivery. It's just.
Yep. And when you get down to a low RPM, it doesn't. Boop, 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 boop.
Yeah.
Did you see the 400 Ninja? The 4-cylinder one, the new one they have out?
No.
There was one at the Bikes and Breakfast. Oh my God, what a bike! Beautiful.
Yeah. I can take it for a short ride up and down the street.
Looks like you got room for more bikes here. Maybe you should get a couple more. What's known as bike addiction. So it's true, I hit a little rain on the way up here, but not much. Everything's dry already. Just gotta wipe. That's why I love to put a lot of wax on a bike. You never know. So this is quite a cool little place to hang out. Have a pizza. Oh, he's gonna go for a test ride now. This thing really did sound good though. And of course I have the twin to it. So we're gonna have some fun rides in the future.
It's off now.
It's off now. It's still a bad sensor. That shouldn't be on. He's backed out over his counter shift sprocket. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Here we go. No license plate, no insurance, no jacket, no underwear, no fairings. Ah, this is fun. I remember we used to do this all the time when we were young. This is going to be fun. See, the thing is right now, even though it's running, you don't know if it's going to shift through all the gears. And he put a lot of time in this already, and boy, my hat's off to him. He does a lot. He does these things amazingly fast. Oh, some bike parts up here. Look at this, a fork leg is up here. Look at this. It's the top of a fork leg for an FZR. Yeah, let's see what this sounds like. This is like a little racetrack here. I don't know if the neighbors really appreciate this. And this is a beautiful neighborhood, by the way, so you would wonder. Oh, let's see. So you couldn't disengage the clutch all the way?
Just a little bit.
Oh. Yeah, it could have air in there, that's for sure.
Yeah.
It feels real, oh yeah. If it doesn't do anything until...
Yeah. Probably have to put it.
Yeah, yeah. It's a big mama. With this frame, you could take the motor out and all you need is a come along.
Yes, triples.
You
No, not really.
You take the motor and just take the bike off the motor and leave the motor in.
No, it's just by the motor drops.
Yeah, but you could do it with a come along too.
Nah, no.
You clicked the seat down and what happened? It locked the seat in and you didn't have the key or.
No.
I don't know with mine. I don't use this. I got mine jury rigged.
I had to remove everything
Oh God.
to avoid to lock the seat, and then I couldn't open it anymore.
Oh jeez.
I use the old washers.
Hey, what'd you get? A brand new petcock?
Yeah.
Oh, you can't have a gas leak, boy.
No. It was leaking gas all over the floor.
No.
No.
You're already harvesting peaches off your peach tree?
Oh yeah.
I already am harvesting radishes every day.
Last year we got 5 last year. This year we got a bumper crop this year.
A bumper crop. Peaches. The man's got a peach tree in his backyard.
I had to put the string there, see?
What's that for?
Because it wasn't like...
Oh, it was hitting your car. Yeah. Everybody loves puppies. Oh my God. Oh, everybody loves the puppies. This is the side you had to repaint?
Yeah. I got to let it dry. That's what the problem was. Because I didn't wait long enough for the paint to the two different...
Yeah. You had an alligator. See, that's what that bucket's for.
Yeah.
Put the alligator in
The alligator's inside.
Yeah, I know all about the alligator.
They thought the red is fine.
If this fairing doesn't work out, I got an MV Augusta fairing in my shop. We could just bolt it right on. Oh my God.
Yeah.
So much work.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. You never know how much fun it is to restore bikes.
Oh, you should buy this. Rubber lip.
Oh, okay, they're for sealing. Or you got a bolt going in with this liquid.
That's what I use it for the fuel pickup.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, Amazon.
Very cool. Well, I know you got them. What do I have to buy them for? You're making a pizza pie. I don't have to make one. You need more toys. How could a man... Are these my carbs you took apart? Or no, they're yours.
They're mine.
Oh, yeah.
To the Yamaha decals, and I had to strip everything. I got 2 more decals coming.
Hey, puppy.
Hey. You want me the funny thing? Mocha. I got this in the beginning. They wouldn't fit the back because they're 1988.
Oh, they're different.
They're different. Stop.
What are you going to say? The GPZ wheels there? Is that GPZ wheels?
Yeah. See the difference? Taccato.
Yeah.
They wouldn't go on a bike. They just wouldn't go. So if
they just change it just enough. You got a whole set.
I even tried to put some mono there, and then I realized that when I put it on a bike, it wouldn't fit as well.
Yeah, you're beating a dead horse. You know what? These toys are keeping you young now. Look at. You know what you would look like if you didn't have all this stuff to play with? You'd be an old man. You'd be an old man watching TV in a rocking chair.
Yeah, so well,
Now that's the part I don't have on my bike. I don't have to deal with that.
That's why you got so much room, because it's skinny.
Exactly. Until you see the house full of toys in real life, you can't believe it. There's just, I call it the house of toys, the house of motorcycle engines. Henry Hawk, I hope you're paying attention. I hope you know this is what keeps us young. This is why you look in the mirror and nobody believes how old we are, except our wives. And they know. Yeah, that's a lot of work. The man is a glutton for punishment. The extra GPZ engine? Is that one of them? You got two of them, right?
Yeah, I got the one here, one in the garage.
Jeez. Those are the H1 extra cylinders, some of them, huh? You got a whole box of them the last time I was here. Brand new, just like a brand new bike, right?
Yeah.
That's good. After the accident, I didn't know you were going to bring it back to life.
Yeah.
I remember. Yeah. I remember we went down and got the hugger for that. It was down in the river there. Oh man. The bottom line is though, you need more toys. There's just not enough toys in the world.
Absolutely. It keeps you busy.
Bigger garages.
Spending money, right? Otherwise, what are you going to do with the money? Take it with you?
Yeah. I get sick of printing it. My poor printer. I printed 20s the other day. They look just like real money. I wish I could spend them.
I can't find them to go around a band.
No, I'll do it for you. I'll come up and do it. No problem. Yeah, no problem. Hey, the thing's looking good. I don't care what Jose says about it. Michelle said I should say hi to you today, so hi from Michelle.
Oh, okay.
Michelle, we miss you, kid.
Hi, Michelle.
So our visit was really a lot of fun today, and we really did have a great couple hours of fooling around with the motorcycles. For people that have never taken a bike down to the studs or pulled the engine out or switched frames or done any of that work, you have no idea how much labor it is to do this. And he's done it to pretty much almost every bike in his garage. And there's 2 sheds up on a hill with bikes in them too. I don't even try to count them anymore. Anyway, my hat's off to Luciano. It looks like this one's going to be another great one. I look forward to riding it. I look forward to it. He's ridden my bike on the track too. And my bike has had issues over the years that he's helped me solve. He's a wonderful mechanic. And for anybody that poo-poos doing this kind of work, you're not missing a thing. This kind of work is dirty work, and it's always something that you have to figure out, and a part you have to buy, and something you have to buy 2 of to get the right one. But in the end, oh my God, the day you take it out on the hill and you go up 106 and they start scraping the knees, oh man, it just couldn't be better. And Luciano, congratulations. As always, that bike, when it's done, is going to be really nice.